tayong gagawing bago.
Ay, ano naman baga ang gagawin mo?
We're going to make Arduino Weather Station using Arduino Uno DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor matching with LCD display.
Paano magagawin yan?
We're going to upload the code. We are done uploading the code. Now we have the Arduino Uno connected to the LCD display with a temperature reading of 31 degrees Celsius, 2024 date or the year today, and then the 58% humidity. Temperature 31 degrees Celsius, humidity 58%, with the help of DHT11 temperature humidity sensor, jumper wires, and the breadboard, and of course the code of the Arduino Uno.
Paano mo nagawa yan?
You can do the project by using this diagram. The Arduino Uno connected to the LCD display, ground to the ground of Arduino to the ground of DHT11 sensor, BCC to the BCC of DHT11, and to the 5 volts. This is 5 volts. 5 volts of Arduino Uno. And pin number 7 is the signal. That is the one controlling the whatever the temperature, humidity of the environment. SDA of LCD connected to A4. SCL, serial clock, serial data. Serial clock, SCL connected to A5. So we're using I2C or inter-integrated circuit, converting the 14 wires or many connections of this LCD into just 4 wires using SDA, SCL, ground, BCC. And then we're getting the power from the PC via USB port to the Arduino Uno. So we can now monitor the weather condition of our surroundings by using this Arduino Weather Station, which is capable of reading the temperature and the humidity via LCD display.